Amazing value for money, direct in off the last owner. What a great car this is. Great family car, great low dogger. Vauxhall Insignia sports tourer, 1.8 petrol exclusive estate. They really are amazing value for money. Registered in September 2011 on a 61 plate. It's a 1.8 petrol with nearly 140 brake horsepower. Only done 30,000 miles, that's correct, 30,000 miles of full service history. Had the Cambelt replaced. Let's show you around it. It's got rear parking sensors, technical grey metallic, beautiful colour. All the loading area nice and clean, not been bashed about or abused. Look at the size of that boot, absolutely huge boot. Got the rear luggage cover there. Of course, split folding rear seats. Got a false floor there. Vehicle does come with a spare wheel. It's just under there. Space saver wheel. Nice and clean in there. Not being knocked about. The bodywork is absolutely lovely for the age of the vehicle. No major dents, scratches or big scrapes anywhere. Good tyres all the way around, plenty of tread on all the tyres. It's got the wheel trims on, all undamaged. Chrome roof rails. So as I mentioned, the bodywork beautifully clean. Again, the front tyre, as you can see, plenty of tread. Very clean on the bodywork. Of course, there's the few odd stone chips on the front, which you're going to get for a 2011 car, but no major scrapes. And this is why we do the videos, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, attention to detail, close-ups of the full vehicle, so you know exactly what the car is like before travelling to us. And the final tyre there, again, plenty of tread. Lots of space in the back, plenty of legroom in there. Black cloth upholstery, again in beautiful condition. No nasty smells in the vehicle. Lovely and clean. All the door trims. Driver's door trim again, great condition. Entrance to the car. Electric adjustable seats, and again if you look at the driver's seat, fabulous condition, not worn out, no rips, tears, burns. And just look at the mileage. 30,372, that's what it's done. 30372, 2011 car, yes, 30372. What amazing low mileage. As I mentioned, full service history, it's all listed on the website with the dates and the times, including the Cambelt change. Stereo system there, stereo CD, climate control, air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, armrest and storage, cruise control, stereo functions on there. All very easy, nice control. Electric front windows, electric adjustable door mirrors, lovely and clean inside. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange a pleasure. If you're looking for a great family car, great value for money with exceptional low mileage, well, this has got to be the one. There won't be many about in this condition with this sort of miles and this type of service history. Read about our raving fans reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process, full transparency with our full videos, up to 100 images, accurate description of all our cars, giving you the confidence to buy this car unseen from the comfort of your armchair. If you fancy this at 2 o'clock in the morning, remember you can click and reserve, and remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and the car is not as described, we'll refund your deposit, no questions asked. Hassle-free process. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.